Revive your windscreen wipers with EcoCut Pro. Sun, cold and dirt cause windscreen wipers to age. This results in poor visibility. First, fold out the wipers and clean them thoroughly with a damp sponge. When using for the first time, select guide number 1 and slide it on the wiper lip. Pay attention to the direction of the arrow. Now slide the EcoCut Pro along the whole wiper lip, applying even pressure. After trimming, clean the wiper lip again with a damp sponge. EcoCut Pro can be used multiple times. Each windscreen wiper can be trimmed twice. Revive your windscreen wipers with EcoCut Pro. Protects the environment and your wallet. Greater safety thanks to clear visibility. EcoCut Pro.